Welcome aboard to DTV, your passport to captivating adventures and immersive journeys. Join us as we explore the world's most intriguing destinations, uncover hidden gems, and share unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or an armchair explorer, get ready to embark on a visual odyssey that will inspire your wanderlust and ignite your sense of adventure. So sit back, relax, and let DTV be your window to the world. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe.
Good afternoon, people. So today we are taking a walking tour of the Primrose Rock in Bagwalk Gorge, St. Catherine. As you can see, I'm about to go down this slope to get there. We have to be careful though of these stones. Yeah, these rocks, some of them are slippery. So I'm going down now. Oh, there's a man there. Looks like he's fishing. Yes, he is fishing. Take my time and go down. Just going down now. Just watching my steps as I go. The Primrose Rock, also known as the Prim Rock, is a distinctive geological formation located near Flatbush, Jamaica. It is a large limestone outcrop that rises predominantly from the surrounding landscape. The rock formation is renowned for its unique shape and the stunning views it offers of the surrounding area. What is a rock formation? A rock formation refers to the arrangement and composition of rocks in a particular area. It encompasses various geological features formed through natural processes over extended periods. These formations can include cliffs, mountains, valleys, caves, arches, and more. They result from processes such as erosion, deposition, tectonic activities, volcanic eruptions, and sedimentation. Each rock formation tells a story of the Earth's history, reflecting the conditions and events that shape the landscape over millions of years. Primrose Rock holds cultural significance for our local community and is often visited by tourists exploring the Flatbush area. It serves as a popular spot for photographs, picnics, fishing, swimming, and enjoying the natural beauty of Jamaica. The nearby flatbridge is a historic stone bridge that spans the Ryakobwe River. It has a rich history and is a significant landmark in Jamaica, attracting visitors interested in both its architectural significance and the scenic surroundings. Together, Primrose Rock and Flatbridge offer visitors a glimpse into Jamaica's cultural beauty and cultural heritage, making them a must-visit destination for those seeking to explore this beautiful island. So sit back, relax, and explore with me this beautiful rock formation. Afternoon, sir, fisherman. How do I get over there? Okay. Alright.
Dog teeth.
That's what I call them?
Yeah, man. So you keep that this one. You keep them and you drop in there.
They are with you? They are not with you? Okay. Yes, this is nature's irony. Only in Jamaica. Only in Jamaica you will see this. Nature's irony. This is one of the rock formation I was referring to earlier. But there are many other rock formations around. If you look around, there are many other rock formations around. And it's not just the rock formations. If you look at the water, it has this nice green reflective color from the obviously from the surrounding lush greenery. It's very beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful, and it's very relaxing except for the motor vehicles passing just above on the road. It's very relaxing, the soothing sound of the water running down these rocks. So I'm leaving now. There are some other persons coming to visit this natural wonder. Okay. Ah.